Hello, in this video I'll be speaking to about money matters, and there are few people who say that I cannot attract money in my life, and I cannot make enough money in my life finally, and whatever I spend, it's gone, and I cannot save money finally. They have few questions about this, and I cannot become a wealthier person in my life. What's the reason why I can't make money in my life? That's the question many people have, and finally many people they say I do everything in my life. I work hard. I am quite career oriented, and I do everything. But finally, what I do, what I serve, I won't get back through money. Finally, that's the issue. So, what to do in my life? This is the problem many have. They say. Let's sort out in this whole video. It's all about how to attract money in your life in a very smart manner. This video is connected to subconscious mind and how you treat money. I will be talking about that. One lady, I'll give you an example. One lady was there, she was quite poor and she had many financial problems and she could not earn well. Even though she was working hard, the benefits, what she was getting from it was less, and finally she was not making enough money what she expected, and she was not able to fulfill her needs in her life and wants also, and she was cursing money, saying that money is an evil in my life, and money, whatever I do, I cannot get in my life, and I am an unlucky person, and money attracts the enemies, like who earn easily, like example, politicians, they don't do much but they attract money, and she was saying money is attracted to bad people in life, who break all the values and morals, but I am a very valued person and I follow all the values and morality in my life, but even though I do all these things, I follow everything in a right way, but I am not attracted to money, and I cannot do anything of this problem, whatever I'm facing. This is what she used to say always. And that's the reason she was not able to get enough money, and finally she could not fulfill her needs in her life, and she did not become a wealthier person. Now let's come back to the issue called money matters. Yes, the subconscious mind is not having that power to argue or to say that it's wrong. Like if you consciously say that money is bad, money is evil, or if you consciously say that I cannot attract money in my life, or else you say bad people get enough money but I am a good person, I'm not getting money, and if these thoughts you're getting, and if you're saying this consciously, obviously you cannot attract money, because I have told you subconscious mind in my previous videos that subconscious mind is a powerhouse. When you talk something bad about money, obviously even psychology proves that you cannot attract money. There are many people who work hard and they have a false concept saying that if you work hard and sweat hard, obviously you get money. If you're not working hard, you don't get money. This is a societal thought, but actually it's wrong. If you are working smartly in a qualitative way, obviously you can attract money. It's not like you have to sit for 8 hours and earn money. If you sit for an hour and work hard and try to do your best, obviously you can attract money. So here your false concept about money and your false thoughts about money and your recurring negativity about money makes you not attracted to money. So finally, my saying here is, please correct your subconscious mind and say consciously that you love money and you need money and you want to be a richer person. Finally, you will do a quality work and have a good and positive thought about money. The more positive you feel about money, you attract money that much, because if you scold someone and if you abuse someone and you say that I'm not getting anything from you, obviously that person will leave you and go. The same matters with the money also, where if you scold or if you abuse or if you say negative something about the money, you cannot attract money. So the best way to deal with the money matters and attract wealth in your life is, before you sleep, 5 minutes, take a deep breathe in and breathe out. When you're doing that, you have to say, I welcome money in my life, I love money, and wealth, prosperity, loving self, I do it. Wealth, prosperity, success, I do it. Tell all these things to yourself, which is more positive. When you tell rigorously, I mean, if you tell this, it works. Because when you're consciously saying, the subconscious mind is receiving. When the subconscious mind receives, automatically many changes which is positive happens to you in your life. So please do not mislead your subconscious mind saying that you don't like money, somewhere you like money. So there should not be an imbalance. If you want money, you should say I want money, and you should say that I will do a quality work. If I do quality work, I will get my returns. So if in case if you're saying when you receive money, like when you get your monthly pay from the boss or from the company, you say that money won't, I spend easily money. When you say that, you're subconsciously saying that you easily spend money. So never ever talk like that about money, because you should respect money. When you respect money, you have a lot of space to allow and welcome money in your life. So this is the main reason you cannot attract money. And thank you for watching my video. Please follow the steps what I've told you. Many things, positive changes will happen. I trust this and I'm doing this in my life, and I can say I am attracting money in my life. It's step by step process, but I'm sure that I will reach my goal as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching my video. Any questions you can ask me again, and please share this video because many do this mistake in their life. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment about this video. Again, thanks a lot.